How to contact Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and you want to contact Reddit directly from the app and you don't know how to do it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application just like this. Then tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner, just right here, select it. Then here you can find settings, just right here, tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find report and issue, just right here, select it. Now from here you can simply report issues like bugs, account problems, or anything related to your experience on Reddit. Describe the problem you are facing and submit it. And after doing that, they will simply reach out to you. And that's it. This is how you can contact Reddit. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.